Friends, open PicsArt. Now tap on plus icon. Now tap on backgrounds. Now select the white color. First step, tap on tools. Tap on crop. Now select portrait. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to draw. Tap on draw. Zoom out. Select the shape. Select the square. Scroll up. Now tap on fill. Tap on OK. Now select the color and bring the circle to orange. Now tap on tick. Now I have to draw on the left side or right side, your wish. Now tap. Next step, go to add photo, select shadow PNG. Friend, this is shadow PNG. Simply squeeze it. Zoom out and arrange perfectly here. Tap on opacity. Decrease the opacity. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select further PNGs. These are the 3 PNGs. First I am going to arrange chair in the center. Perfect. Now arrange this crown PNG. Go to blend and make it multiple and zoom out and arrange in the center here. Perfect. Now select the king PNG. Go to blend and make it multiple and you have to arrange in the center here. Perfect. And arrange the chair in the center like this. Little up. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to text and write the model name. First name I am going to write Ganesh. Tap on done. Tap on tick. Now tap on this up arrow. Now select the my fonts and you have to select the uniform bold font. I will give this font link in the description. Simply rotate it and you have to arrange here perfectly. Now tap on text and write the second name, last name. Tap on done, tap on tick. Go to colors, tap on this palette, bring this to here and simply rotate and you can arrange in this portion here. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the model PNG, sitting pose. Pose model image, simply zoom out, stretch it like this and you can arrange it in the center like this. Perfect. Now tap on shadow, tap on position, keep it 100, keep this 100, tap on adjust, increase it to 100 and keep it around 40. Now go to add photo, select the shadow PNG. This is the shadow PNG and bring it to here. Tap on layers, tap on move down. Arrange perfectly. Tap on opacity, decrease the opacity. Perfect. Now tap on duplicate and arrange another one here. Tap on move down. Perfect. Now tap on tick. And next step, go to add photo and select the further PNG. This is the money PNG. You can arrange one here. Tap on layers, tap on duplicate and arrange another one here. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the frame PNG. And this is, and simply stretch out and arrange it like this. Now tap on tick. And final step, go to tools, tap on adjust and decrease little brightness, give little contrast, clarity little bit, saturation little bit, give little highlights and decrease little temperature or give little temperature. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. This is the before and this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.